Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the microSD memory card into Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In order to do that, we need to open the SIM tray, which is located on the left side. Use the pin ejector that you can find inside the box and place the pin inside this hole over here. Once you put it inside, push it forward so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, and then use your fingers in order to take it out completely. There we go. Now we have one hybrid slot which can be used by the memory card or the SIM card. So if you use two SIM cards, then you have to unfortunately get rid of one. So let's remove the second SIM. And now of course we can put the memory card into the slot. If you have troubles with inserting the memory card, you can just put the SIM tray on the table and then try to insert the memory card like that. And once you put it in, of course we need to put the SIM tray back into the device. So let's do that. Of course we need to match the circle that we used in order to eject the SIM tray. And there we go. So that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!